For many of us, a lump sum of money, like a severance, is a windfall, and often we can't decide what to do next. Do we pay off our mortgage, invest for the future, or just spend the money? Hello, I'm Roger Solvay, Regional Manager of Alterna Bank, Quebec. I'm here to present options that will help you make sound financial decisions to ensure that your money continues to work hard for you. Alterna Bank is a wholly owned subsidiary of Alterna Savings, who many of you may have known as CS Co-op. Alterna Bank was originally established to serve federal government employees living in Quebec. Today, Alterna Bank is a federally chartered bank able to help all Canadians make smart financial decisions with their money. This information session is intended to help you and point you in the right direction and answer many of the questions that you may have at this time. At the end of this webinar, we will share information on how you can obtain more information to suit your individual needs. Are you confused by all the conflicting financial advice you hear and read? Is your leisure time spent worrying about looking after your finance? Do you know how much money you will need in order to retire comfortably? Would you feel more comfortable working with a professional that you trust to help you look after your best interest? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you can benefit from Alterna's wealth management expertise. Today I would like to talk to you about the challenges of what to do when you receive a notice of severance payment. Cashing out of severance pay, now or later, will have important savings and tax implications. Let's look at some of these options available. Although a tempting option, immediately cashing out the severance you've accumulated may not be the right decision if done for the wrong reasons. The decision has an implication that you may not have thought about. If you have accumulated unused RSP room, taking the cash to invest in your RSP could be the right decision. You can get a tax receipt to offset the income received, and you can take advantage of the potential for tax shelter growth inside your RSP. A decision to just take the extra funds into income could push you into a higher tax bracket for that particular year. If you spend the money on a luxury item, it may be exciting, but may also have negative consequences in the long term. Cashing out the severance also means loss of opportunity to increase the nest egg needed to enjoy your retirement years to the maximum. Another option is to hold on to your accumulated severance and have it paid out when you actually resign or retire. This decision could impact you in a number of ways. Deferring your accumulated severance will not trigger any immediate increase in tax burden. At your date of retirement or resignation, the payout that you will be based on your actual exit rate of pay. At some point in the future, you may have unused RSP contribution room that you can use to avoid paying taxes. Or you may be eligible for a special transfer or rollover of all of or some of the sum to an RSP based on your years of service. One other option might be considered as the best of both worlds. You could immediately cash out part of your accumulated severance and keep the rest for a payout when you resign or retire. Would this option be right for you? You could withdraw some of the money for that special purchase or for needed repairs, but again, this will trigger income tax at a possibly higher rate of income tax rate. You could take an amount equal to the unused RSP room and get that money working for you as soon as possible. This approach will allow you to maximize the potential for tax-deferred growth using your RSP. Your remaining payout will be based on your exit rate of pay. I hope you have found the information we have shared with you today useful. At Alterna, we believe everyone's situation is unique. We also believe it would be a good idea for you to review your options with an Alterna personal banking representative. Working with our wealth management investment specialists, they have the tools and resources to help you make the most of this opportunity. Using our specialized team of wealth management investment specialists, your personal banking representative will bring an objective focus to your situation. Drawing on all of the financial tools, products, resources available, they will ensure that your money grows and your wealth is preserved throughout your lifetime. Your personal banking representative has at their disposal a full range of day-to-day banking, borrowing, and investing service, plus comprehensive wealth management support including investment planning, retirement planning, estate and insurance protection, education funding, budgeting, and savings. And as we have come to the last slide, thanks again for participating in our webinar. We hope you found the information informative and beneficial. You have an important decision to make, and our capable team of wealth management experts is here to help. We encourage you to contact your personal banking representative today to set up an appointment to have personal investment plan prepared to fit your individual need and speak further about your Severance options. To locate a branch, you can go to www.alterna.ca or call 1-877-560-0100. Thank you.